In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the quiz submission confirmation message on your Google form. So whether it's a survey, poll, or quiz, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change that message. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the settings tab up at the top, and then scrolling down, you want to expand presentation. And underneath presentation, there should be something that says confirmation message. Select edit, and then you can type in whatever you want in here and then select save, and that's all you have to do. So if you want to have some instructions for somebody else to follow, you can put that in, and when they submit the survey, this is what they will see. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.